Hello, this is Supporting Child Development Theories and Frameworks. In this video, we're going to be looking at some of the frameworks and theories that help to support child development during their times when they're at school. Some of the frameworks that we have in place focus on early intervention. So when children are in the foundation stage of their schooling, between the ages of 0 and 5, that includes reception year at primary school, there is something called the early years foundation stage, which I imagine many of you are highly familiar with. This framework was introduced to allow professionals to better monitor and assess children in the early years, and it allows educators, health carers, and social carers to share their information, especially if they have any concerns about the development of a child. This leads us to early help. Early help is an area of support that was introduced to support earlier intervention for children and families before the need for full social care support comes into play. So a lot of this includes signposting to families or schools to support a child's development or referral to social care. Both of these frameworks work hand in hand with each other and aim to have that early intervention so that children's development is caught early and can be reassessed and fixed in some ways so that the support is there throughout the child's development. Once again, your role as an HLTA and your understanding of safeguarding will be crucial in this process. Some of the theory that helps us understand how we can support child development includes concepts such as attachment theory. Attachment theory has been around for a long time. However, in recent years it's become more prevalent in schools as professionals have recognised how important it is and its impact on development. We've previously explored some of the theorists who've looked into child development. Attachment theory is one of those. This area really focuses on a child's emotional, social, and physical attachment to their primary caregiver, as well as any professionals that they come into contact with regularly, such as school staff. This focuses on how a child interacts with those people, how a child approaches new people, and how comfortable they feel around new people. There should be some element of wariness with the child when it comes to meeting new people, so it's not about that child being specifically open to everybody that they meet. You may wish to use some of the links below to help develop your understanding in this area further. The second theory we're going to look at is Maslow's hierarchy. This looks at a pyramid or a hierarchy of needs that need to be met before the higher, more complex needs can be provided for. This is often shown in a pyramid with things such as the physiological needs at the bottom. That's things like food, water, warmth, and rest. Coming up to safety needs, security, and safety. We would expect that all children would have those needs met, but there are some that don't. It's very important to keep this in mind when working with children, because clearly if their primary needs aren't met, it comes as no surprise that they're unable to engage in your lessons. Next on the pyramid is belongingness and love needs. So this looks at intimate relationships and friends. And then above that is esteem needs. So that prestige and that feeling of accomplishment. I'm sure we can all identify students who have difficulties with the esteem level. But before you can reach self-actualization, which is the top part of the pyramid where you can achieve your full potential, you do need those esteem needs to be met. So you need to be able to feel that sense of accomplishment, which is really difficult for some children. Once again, understanding the theory behind child development helps you as an HLTA to become far more effective in the classroom and beyond within your school. So put theory into practice and feel free to explore these elements further. Thank you.